Next is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and his effort. This is important. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar can be asked in the examination. Everything which we are discussing actually can be asked. That's why we are reading it. So Vidyasagar idea was a blend of Indian and Western thought, right? He believed in high moral values, was a deep humanist, and was generous. He himself was very poor. If you will read about his journey and his life, okay, so he struggled a lot to study hard and also to reach up to that level, and he was having sympathies towards poor also, right? He was the great advocate of widow remarriage. With his effort, this widow remarriage act was passed. Crusader against child marriage and polygamy, right? He did much for cause of women's education, and he basically organized 35 girls school. So women education, widow remarriage, basically these two things were mostly popularized or emphasized by whom? Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Bal Shastri Jambedkar, not much important. I can't say not much important, but you can read about him from the book. We will see just important thing about him, that was a pioneer of social reform through journalism in Bombay. Journalism in Bombay, okay, it's known as the father of Marathi journalism. So if people are preparing for MPPCS, so I think this personality and his work is very important. MPSC, matlab Maharashtra PCS. He started newspaper Darpan. So this is important. Darpan in 1832 who started? So Bal Shastri Jambekar, and started Digdarshan. Two information are very important. Now he was the first professor of Hindi at the Elphinstone College, besides being the director of Colaba Observatory. So among all the information, these two information you can note it down. Paramhans Mandali, not much important. You can simply